Well, hi, welcome. It is wash day today, so I do look a little rough. I haven't really started beautifying myself for the day, but I think I still look cute anyway. So today I'm actually going to do a full TPH day. I went and purchased the Honey Fresh Clarifying Shampoo with Moisture, which I desperately need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to master cleanse my scalp first. Then I'm going to clarify my hair. And then I'm actually going to do a deep protein treatment. And the reason why is because I am straightening my hair today. So I want to make sure my hair is strong and that it has a lot of strength. And then once I finish my deep protein treatment, I'm going to do a deep hydrating conditioner. And just to prepare my hair because I don't want to damage it. I already have color in it, so I don't want to damage it with the heat. So we're going to do that. I bought this hot commodity to protect my hair while I straighten it. And then while I do that, I'm going to attempt to wax my face. My face looks gross because I've been eating a lot of donuts and I haven't been drinking a lot of water. Don't tell nobody. But we about to snatch it up. I bought these facial wax strips. I'm scared as fuck. But I'm going to cleanse my face in the shower, and then we're going to test these out while I let my conditioner sit, because it's going to be a long day with this conditioner. I think I'm going to do 30 minutes with the protein treatment, and I'm thinking about putting some heat on it. And then for the hydrating conditioner, I think I'm going to do 20 minutes. I might do 30 minutes for both, actually. So that's my wash day. I can't wait to update you in between, but thank you for listening. Have a great Saturday. Bye. Okay, so real quick before I begin my wash day, I did a pre-poo. I'm really happy because my hair looks nice and thick. And this is all the shed hair I had. This is after a whole week. So that is awesome. But what I did is I literally used my spritzer, which has water, Jamaican black castor oil in it, olive oil, a little eucalyptus, some peppermint oil. And then I used my sweet almond oil and black castor oil mixture, which my hair absolutely loves. As you see it just snapped right into place. My hair never cooperates like this. Look, you can actually see it. Here, let me cut the light on. You can actually see it curling. Oh shit, I know. Curling up into itself already. But yeah, so now I'm getting ready to do my scalp wash. And then I'm going to shampoo, and then we're going to put in the protein treatment. And then I will be back so we can test out these facial wax strips. Oh, shit. All right. So, honey. This Honey Fresh. I love that. I really like that. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. Like, I'm excited because it's still stretched, so I'm getting ready to put my protein treatment in. Then we're gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. I'm gonna put my dryer on, so I'm gonna wait until I do the hydration conditioner to do the face waxing. But this feels so good. And I wash my face with my Tatcha, so my skin looking good, despite me ruining my equilibrium with all the donuts. I went a little ham bam shmam bam with the donuts this week. Well, what had happened was I normally get 4, which is like $7 in California. It's like $6.96. And I got a coupon that they were giving out a dozen for $6.99. So I was like, well, guess I'm getting a fucking dozen. So I got all the donuts, and it was any dozen at that. So I ended up trying a bunch of donuts that I was curious about. I ain't gonna lie, the apple fritter was fucking popping. Sad that was the first time I tried that one because it was delicious. Alright, so we're just gonna work this one through. Sorry. I got 20%. Alright. I'm gonna put a little bit more just because I like to feel my conditioner in my hair. Like, I like that slip. There we go. There we go. Ooh. 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 I'm very proud of my washout today. It was easy. I think because I did pre-poo. My hair was very cooperative today. Thank you, hair. You are appreciated. Alright. So this is a spot right here, special spot right here. So I'm gonna put a little, oh my god, a little bit more. This is a tender spot. Your button is out here going off, so don't mind him. But yeah, definitely want to get my ends because that's what really needs to help. My ends, all this color, all this color. Show is awesome. Don't worry about it. Everyone relax. Show is not here to devalue any other black men. Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Are you? Alrighty. Every week and say, yo, everybody is doing what's best for them. But you can't keep saying the joke has bad. I love my color. Speaking of, I don't have it on me. No, I don't. I bought some more hair dye. I got pink this time. Pink, not fuchsia. Fuchsia's red and pink. I got pink. Alright, so I'm gonna put the heat on, let this sit for 30 minutes. Alright, then we're gonna do our hydration conditioner. So, say bye, real love. Okay, so I just finished putting in the Make It Rain conditioner. My hair look good. Now look at them curls. Hey. So, the protein treatment was litty. I'm gonna cover this and let this sit for about 30 minutes. Yeah, I would double wrap it, but I don't know where my bonnet, my towel, my turban towel, that's what it's called. I don't know what my turban towel is. Okay, anyway, so now I'm about to wax his face. So I'm about to take my coconut water toner and just kind of moisturize my face. Just because it's dry. Washed my face hours ago. Alright. Okay. So, that is the hydration conditioner that I just rinsed out. And so far, oh God, I always find some fucking conditioner in my hair. Anyway, so far, minus that because I'm about to go rinse that out. My hair feels great though. Look how bouncy it is. It's very moisturized. I did protein and hydration today. I absolutely love every single product that I've tried on the TPH line, okay? I have officially tried everything that I would need or that I would use. So I added the shampoo. I put my oil in. I added my shampoo to the mixture today. And I like it. I'm really happy that I purchased it. So I will definitely be using that more. So now we're going to try out Hot Commodity. This is actually my first time blow drying my hair out. So this is very exciting for me. See, I'm greasing my shit down. Gotta make sure I got my oil at least in my hair. Alright. So yeah. I'm getting ready to test out Hot Commodity now. See how that works. And I'm going to use my BedHead blow dryer brush. And we are going to straighten this hair on out. We're going to see what it's talking about. And I'm going to see if I can flat twist this bad baby. Or I'm going to at least try to practice flat twisting with my hair straightened. Alright, I'll be back with the results. So far my mustache look good though. Hey, I had to go back and wax it again, but it's looking good. Ooh. I was seeing it in the blue light. All right. I'm done. It is so pretty. Hot Commodity is amazing because my hair actually feels very soft and moisturized. It protected it. I didn't have any breakage. So this is my hair straightened. So now I gotta figure out how to flat twist it. That's actually looking good. Hi. Okay, so it is the day after I straightened my hair. And I have to say, I actually like the results. Like, my curls are popping. They're cute. I'm trying not to break them up too much because as you see here, I got poofy because I've been digging in it and messing in it. But I love it. I like the result. Curls are cute. It was easier to twist and roll. You know, I didn't get much length like I thought I would from straightening it. Like, I thought my hair would still be kind of long, but it's probably because I curled it and it's curly. So I'm gonna just embrace the curls for the day and let them settle and do their thing. But yeah, like, this hair is long up here. It's just curled up, you know. But yeah. So I really enjoyed the blow dryer brush that I use. That shit was fire. Oh yeah, mustache is popping. I did get a little bit of, first off, it's still hair over there, but I did get a little scabby scab. I guess I waxed a little too much off. But yeah, so that is my hair. I do like the results of everything that I did yesterday. So turn it. Bye.